want to disable the laptop's keyboard, you can do it by following these simple steps. First, you have to open the device manager. To open the device manager, you have to right click on the Windows Start icon and click on device manager. When the device manager is opened, make it a little short and place it on the right of your screen. Now you have to open the group policy editor. You can open it by going into the Windows search bar and type gpedit.msc and click it. Now you have your local group policy editor opened and your device manager opened side by side. Make it a little bigger so that you can see it clearly. In the local group policy editor, go to the local computer policy and then computer configuration, and then within the computer configuration go to the administrative templates, and in the administrative templates go to the systems, and in system go to the device installation, and in device installation there is another folder called device installation restrictions. Click on it, and here the 6th or 7th number from the top, you will be able to see a setting which calls something like prevent installation of devices that match any of these device IDs. So double click it to open it, and now open the device manager. So what you have to do is to find the device ID which is unique to every hardware. Now what this do is actually takes device IDs which are unique for every hardware device in your system and then prevents installation of its driver automatically. So what you have to do is to go to the device manager, go to the keyboards. On the laptop's internal keyboard, which is standard PS2 keyboard in my case, just right click on it and go to the properties, and in the properties go to the details, and in the details tab you will see a drop down menu with the heading property. When you open it, on the 3rd number you will be able to see hardware IDs. So these are the 3 hardware IDs which are associated with your laptop's internal keyboard. What you have to do is to copy one by one each hardware ID and insert in the group policy editor, so that later it will not automatically reinstall your laptop's keyboard. First you have to do is to enable it, and when you enable it you will see a button which says show. Click on it and double click here, and then right click on the first device ID, copy it and paste it here. As soon as you paste, you will be able to see another line, and then double click it here. Now copy and paste the second one, and the 3rd hardware ID. And click OK and apply. OK. Now it has recorded the hardware IDs of your laptop's keyboard, and now the only thing you have to do is to uninstall your laptop's keyboard from here. When you uninstall it, it will not automatically reinstall it again unless you disable that policy which we have just enabled it, and it will ask you to restart the computer so that the disabling of your laptop keyboard will take effect. So just click yes, and after restart your keyboard will be disabled. Now my device has restarted, and you can check the device manager. Right click on the start button, open the device manager, and if you open the device manager you will be able to see some device icons with a yellow mark on it. This is actually your laptop's keyboard which is recently been uninstalled. If you want to re-enable it, redo what you have done in the group policy editor, go to the group policy editor, gped, and in the computer configuration, administrative templates, systems, device installation, and device installation restrictions. This is the setting which you have recently enabled. Just double click on it, disable it and apply it. After the restart, the keyboard of your laptop will start working because its driver will be automatically installed. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any problem either related to disabling your keyboard or any other issue about your computer, just write in the comment. If you like the video, press the like button and think of subscribing. Have a nice day. Bye.